Alright, so I'm in the process of getting the riser into the GPU tray. I'm going to go and open up this guy and give a look at the out-of-the-box version of it. Don't so much care about unboxing as much as determining whether or not the product made it through shipping okay. God, this makes for good TV, doesn't it? I'm going to be putting this on there as well shortly. Let's see what happened. The cable from Thermaltake that was supposed to come with the case didn't show up, unless again it's under this plexiglass. And I want to let you guys know who have been watching this video, I do have plans to put artwork on the plexiglass. Maybe you've seen one of those renders or screenshots of the design, but just so you're aware, there is a layer of cardboard above the plexiglass itself down there. So I haven't just been putting this on directly onto the plexi. I think now that it's heavy, I'm done using it as a stand. It was a great place to build and keep screws contained that might fall out, so on and so on. Forgiving edges if you need to lay it on its side, whatever. Super helpful, the box that it came in, the eggshell that it came in. But just if you're planning on, using this, make sure the cardboard's still in it if you're working on it. If I dropped any one of these components on it, it still probably would have punctured the cardboard and affected the plexi. So just be aware, I haven't been working directly on the plexi, but there is a little bit of give, but not a lot. So man, too tight for my liking in terms of cutting stuff. I guess that's how we're gonna have to do it. And that was not hardware, that was silicone gel to keep it dry. Easy DIY. I like that it has a plastic cover on the connection down here. Let's take a look at this stuff. And theoretically, first time user, hey, shit, so this end is going to go in one of these to be determined by the motherboard manual. And this guy is going to kind of come up through the bottom of the tray. I'm not sure. Probably gonna have to figure it out from a different manual. We shall see. But I'm gonna be putting this guy on the Threadripper here in a little bit after this. So stick around. Well, guys, I'm installing this riser, and I have decided that after looking at this, I've decided I need to get the video card out of its box and see what the shit it looks like. That's what we're gonna do. I've already opened it. I opened it as soon as I got it. I mean, I brought it in from inside the delivery guy, and I immediately opened it. So excited. Here we go. Your wires there the whole time? Sorry. Hopefully you're not expecting good video production, because you've seen footage before this. This was packed really well when I got it. Of course, after messing with the packaging for a little bit, you'll see why it didn't go back together quite as smoothly. It's a super hard plastic fabric of some kind. And that is that's a display. Don't care about the cable. Okay, Mr. Box. You gonna be box on the floor? Because this is happening. What's with this guy in the wires, huh? So, let's see. It's in good shape, super good shape. I love the color, actually. There we go. I had to move the computer out of the way. And I can keep the back plate on it. I don't know why I'm touching that so freaking hard. I don't have to get a separate back plate for it. For the water block. This one can stay on it. So, it's pretty standard. Let's see how these might go together. Anyway, that's what I'm working on now. Be back. Alright, so I decided to pull the plug on that configuration. I need to figure out which slot this graphics card is going to go into ultimately. Where this is going to plug in and what the actual bend and orientation of this is going to be in relation to this tray. And I don't want to have to be reaching over all of that madness while I install the heatsink. So, water block, whatever. So we're going to open this thing. Again, I could really care less about unboxing, but if there's something sideways when I get in this box, I want to be able to prove Catch any of that? No, none of it. Okay, cool. And are there two? This is better. This is why these people do this shit like they do. Two hands and whatnot. Watch it take just as long with two damn hands. Okay, huge pain in the ass, but I appreciate the seal. A huge tear in the plastic. Okay. So cardboard back, cool sticker. If broken, please check contents. Strange. That's exactly what I was going to do. It looks, I'll have to figure it out here in a second, but first glance it looks okay. We'll see.